Alright, in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate pouring feature part 1. You see here, Teensy is connected with Wi-Fi Shield. There's a photon here, and we're gonna use this Quark and this RFID. Let's see what's inside the sound card. It's something playing hello. Now if I'm gonna simulate this bottle pouring into the second bottle, let's see what happens. Oh, the sound stops, and we can see what happened in the serial monitor. It says uploading record 0 row, and if you can see here, there's bottle.row taking 0 bytes, but in a while it's gonna be done. So it's now having size here 27K. Let's verify this file from our Audacity. This is Audacity. We're gonna import the raw audio file and see what's inside. If it's hello, then our pouring feature for the bottle that is pouring works. We're gonna use mono here, import, see what does it play.
Hello. Hello.
It sounds hello
Hello.
very beautifully. We're gonna continue pouring in part 2.